In recent days, we have seen or heard a lot about storms, typhoons, hurricanes, and so on. But how different are these words? First of all, let's have a look at that definition from various dictionaries. Storm. Storm is an extreme weather condition with very strong wind, heavy rain, and often thunder and lightning. Example, a lot of trees were blown down in the recent storms. Cyclone. Cyclone is a violent tropical storm. For example, a cyclone swept across the island, killing several people. Typhoon. Typhoon is a tropical storm with violent wind that has a circular movement found in the West Pacific Ocean. For example, the 169,000-ton vessel went down during a typhoon in the South China Sea. Hurricane. Hurricane is a storm with violent wind that has a circular movement, especially in the West Atlantic Ocean. For example, the state of Florida was hit by a hurricane that did serious damage. Tornado. Tornado is a strong, dangerous wind that forms itself into an upside-down spinning cone and is able to destroy buildings as it moves across the ground. Windstorm. Windstorm is a storm where there is very strong wind but little rain or snow. Whirlwind. Whirlwind is a small, rotating windstorm of limited extent. Twister. Twister is a tornado or a whirlwind. Now, what is the difference between a typhoon, cyclone, and hurricane? The terms hurricane and typhoon are regional names for tropical cyclones. All tropical cyclones are alike in that they draw heat from warm water at the ocean surface to power horizontal rotating winds. Although similar in size, tropical cyclones have a different energy source than synoptic cyclones, which are storm systems that draw their energy from weather fronts and jet streams. Over the Atlantic and East Pacific, tropical cyclones are commonly called hurricanes. The common term is typhoon for a tropical cyclone that forms in the West Pacific. Tropical cyclones are called just cyclones in the Indian Ocean and near Australia, according to NASA. Hope this video is useful to you some way. Thank you for watching.